So just to recap on a couple of things. So the extra second tax break number 2, I mentioned this earlier on, and just coming back to Sanjay's example, the landlord at Spires has donated, in essence, £100,000 worth of space. So if you imagine walking into an Oxfam shop and donating the shirt off your back and saying to them, I'm just giving this to you, you guys sell it, do whatever you want with it. You might get an email a week later saying, Dear Stephen, thank you very much for that shirt. We've sold it for £20. You said you're a UK taxpayer, so you as an individual can claim gift aid on that, and so will we as a charity. So you've handed over a piece of clothing, a donation in kind, but you're actually going to pay less tax as a result, or the charity will get a tax break. So if you imagine that in property, Sanjay's client, the landlord, has donated £100,000 worth of space for free. He's handed no money over to us in that sense. And so he can write that off his taxable profits for the year as well. It's a nice tax rate that most people do not know about. It's not a natural conversation that an accountant has with his client, because accountants are normally asked by their client, how do I pay less tax? But this is not normally a conversation they have, and the planning and the property guys don't normally know about this either. So this is, again, the magic of bringing different people together. But it works, and it's a legitimate tax break. So work with the tax man, because they're encouraging the use of meanwhile spaces. It's a piece of legislation they brought out about 10 or 15 years ago. So that's the magic that will happen. After a year, it's a retrospective adjustment. So basically, it's like your costs after day 366 is like paying no rates whatsoever, because we'll have saved you 50% on the empty rates during that 1 year, and at the end of it, you'll get basically roughly double the amount, because rent is normally double the rates, and at 25% tax rate, when you put the two together, that's what you get.